Changing your password on Chime is a straightforward process that ensures your account remains secure. Follow these steps to update your password. Step 1. Open the Chime app. Launch the Chime app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your current login credentials to access your Chime account. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions. Step 3. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option, usually found in the Profile or Account section of the app. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 4. Select Change Password. In the Settings menu, look for the option that says Change Password. Click on it to begin the password change process. Step 5. Enter new passwords. Follow the prompts to enter your current password, then type in your new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements. Confirm the new password and save your changes. After completing these steps, your Chime password will be updated. Remember to keep your new password secure and consider changing it regularly for added security.